by my friend Finn, has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Bukhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Bukhara base secret.
Tech is in motion. Crossing to track.
Initiating green flight sequence on deck 3 from Bukhara.
Fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
Recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are on.
Excited?
Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. Lieutenant Beck, as you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Bukhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark. I'm going to get better, now.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make a jump. They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to drive him away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong!
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
I'm gonna open over here. Let's start to take it like this. What? Wow.
First starter, you will all exit out and head down the hallway to the right.
Uh-oh. We in trouble. Oh, that's cool. Wow.
Units together, push down the corridor to your right.
This is cool.
Okay, they're real.
They're robots, no? Or are they real people?
They're real people. It's posing.
Oh, he's moving his arms up and down. It's creepy. Start moving like, oh shit. You have a photo? It's like the most awesome photo. Here. I'll move along. Sorry. It's just a ride, baby. It's just like last time. They take you through a little maze, and then you get on the ride, and it's over.
Is it?
Every ride seems.
Oh yeah, they're moving their heads.
They're moving. It's all
I don't know if they're
statues.
real people though. There's no way it's people.
That would be a killer job.
It's not.
So animatronics, bro.
It's not here all day. Very real.
Wow, you still have to wait? Which side? You pick this one or that one? Okay, that's on this side.
Memorize them. They are vital for your interrogation, quite possibly your long-term holding. Ma'am, who are these three to you?
What?
Who are these three that you're with?
The people? I'm so confused. I can't hear you. I'm deaf.
Is this your husband?
Yes.
Are these your kids?
Yeah.
How many images have you taken with them today?
A lot.
They must not like you very much.
No, they don't.
They let you take all these images with your ears backwards.
Oh, my ears are backwards? Oh, damn.
Make better choices, ma'am. Save yourself. Don't worry about them. They obviously don't care about you.
Yeah, it's so
Gray and orange,
cute.
inside the cell. Gray and orange, I have all day, you don't. Red and blue, follow them in.
Blue. Blue. Sorry, you forgot about your
Trooper, they're all yours.
Oh. Okay, come here. She's like
Prisoners are secured.
prisoners.
Oh yeah, this is the prisoner room.
Yeah.
Prisoner of fear.
My ears are backwards. Stop touching shit.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Uh-oh.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your ego resistance.
And recording.
You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
No, it's busy. Come here.
Uh-oh. We're gonna get rescued. Look. Oh, snap.
Don't worry, recruits. We're with the resistance. We're here to break you out. Let's go. Get on your side colors.
We're blue. We're in front. Go, go, go.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't be caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened.
You're good.
Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and
You're good.
supervise your
You're
children.
fine. Hey, you can hold my hand if you want. You're fine.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer.
Prisoner transfer.
Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Drone droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Trouble is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Take cover, recruits! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod
will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
They're escaping.
Will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck?
So good.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Scout for his pod beacon.
It's over.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
You guys like it?
I need eyes on Beck.
Yeah?
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's...
Wreckage? I got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down at the wreckage site.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.